The Phillies beat the Miami Marlins 4-1 in Game 1 of the Wild Card Series on Tuesday night. Craig Kimbrel got the final out to give the Phillies a 1-0 lead in the best-of-3 series. The atmosphere at Citizens Bank Park was electric. Rhys Hoskins heard roars from the crowd when he threw out the first pitch. Zach Wheeler talked about the crowd and its impact on his performance after the game. Wheeler was the winning pitcher, allowing 1 run in 6 2/3 innings.
Throughout last postseason, you're a guy who pitches like 200 innings a year. Just how is that possible? This deep into a season, you have like your Christmas stuff.
I don't know, honestly. I mean, it's got to be the atmosphere and the adrenaline going. As soon as I step foot out of the dugout to go stretch out there in the bullpen, the crowd went nuts and I got chills. So, it started right there, and I think it just kind of carries into me, doing the baseball. It definitely helps.